let's now discuss list equality, and we're going to do so with the equality operator. That's two equal signs in a row. And let's go ahead and create a couple of lists here. So we'll make a few simple lists, just a couple simple lists, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll go ahead and make the same list with the same values like this. So to determine whether a list has the same values, we use the equality operator like this. This will return a Boolean value of either true or false, not list 4, list 2. So that is true. Now, even if they match the same values, I'm going to, let's put this in a new cell, just copy and paste this down below. So let's say list 2 now has 5 and 6. This will evaluate as false. It has to have the exact same number of items and the exact same values. If there are less numbers, that will not work. It doesn't matter if they are in a different order, it also will be false. So the only way for this to evaluate as true is with a list of the same length with the same values in the same order.